Hi, we're back with our friends at Fioboc, and this time they sent over some fall gear to show you what you could expect for their Black Friday sale, where you could get up to 50% off, which is a big deal, on top of the promo code TP20, so you can get an additional 20% off. So for certain items, you can get up to basically 70% off. Once you finish this video, you can check out the products with the links in the description and build your cart. Let's get to it. Okay, so the reason why it's not in the original shipping package is because it was delivered when I wasn't home and my fiance didn't know what it was, so she opened it up. So it's here, but I didn't open it from this package. So we're gonna open this together. Also, if this is your first time checking out Fioboc, I actually did a review slash unboxing several months ago on several of their staple items, so check that out. The code is still the same though, so link will be in the description as well as the corner of this video. So this is the Ace Performance Half Zip Sweatshirt. Half zip, quarter zip, I'd say. It's about a quarter, but I got it in a black and it's a size small. It feels really premium. There's a nice weight to it. All right, let's get it on. Feels really nice. It feels really premium. So this is the black in a size small. You have a Fioboc label at the bottom. You also have two side pockets. Wow, these pockets go deep. They go all the way to the center of the shirt or the sweatshirt or the zip up, but it's not one pocket. So you could meet in the middle, but it's two separate pockets sewn down, so it's not one pocket. So again, I'm 5'9", about 150 pounds, and this is a size small. It's a good amount of room. That's how it fits. As far as the collar, I zip it up all the way. It's just under my jaw. No logo on the chest, so it's just all black, plain. It's crafted from their innovative Ace fabric, boasting a buttery soft texture that keeps you comfortable in any setting. So overall, yeah, I'd wear this for like regular morning coffee runs or just to be comfortable. I mean, loungewear. You could wear it for athletics, to the gym, running. It's a solid zip-up sweatshirt built for both. Next up is the Ace Crewneck sweatshirt. So this is in a size small, and I got it in the old navy color. So again, just like we talked about, that same Ace fabric. Wow, this one has pockets on the side too. As you can see, that's the inside. Underneath. And like I was saying, it looks like the pockets, they stop right there. So there's a stitching, so two pockets on the side that go basically all the way in as if it was one pocket, but it's not. But very deep pockets. It's got that fitted feeling. I'm gonna take a step forward so you can see. On the side, it's cut open for mobility. That way it's not tight on you. On both sides, you got the logo at the bottom, just like the first one. And this is a crew neck. So you could kind of see, my shirt's kind of tighter on my neck, so you could see the lining of it, but there it is. It feels more fitted and a bit smaller than the zip up sweatshirt. I think this color is great for pairing because it's not too bright. It's a little bit matte per se. This next one is the Ace Jogger, also in the old navy. These joggers are also in a size small. So there's your drawstring with plastic. You have two side pockets, standard. You also have one back pocket. Material is the same, that Ace material. Pretty comfy. So it's a slim fit, but more fitted at the calves, and I don't have big calves. I'm an avid runner, I guess. So this is how it looks. That's how it fits. Whoa. Last one. This is the Ace Hoodie. Also in the Old Navy, size small. So for a lot of these, they come in lots of different colors. The hem is the same as this sweatshirt, except it's not cut on the side. It looks like they're standard side pockets that don't meet in the middle, but very deep. It's like the same as the sweatpants, the joggers, except the cap looks like it's gray. Here we go, it's my waist right here. Sleeves. Good size. Not too long. It's like perfect actually. It is a slim fit. That's how it's cut. Actually, I think all of them might be cut slim fit. Yeah, so the joggers are slim fit, bottoms, the cut. This hoodie is a slim fit. The crewneck is a slim fit. And, yep. And the zip sweatshirt is a slim fit. So they're all slim fit cuts, so that gives you a better idea of how these are shaped and cut and how they should fit. So you have like that standard pocket on a normal hoodie, but again, for this one, it stops right there, so 2 separate pockets. And the hood, pretty big. I mean, I don't think I have a big head, but I don't think I have a small head. I think it's just average. So comfortable. Again, you could work out in this. And that, I believe that's what this fabric is made for, to do both. Loungewear, relax, but also for fitness, athletics. Fits well. The material, it's not heavy. It's not a heavy sweater. It's fairly light. So if you're in colder areas, I think this would be great to layer over with a coat, or you could layer under it. But like, again, that depends on everyone's cold tolerance. I get cold really easily. So out here, it could get to, 30 degrees, 20s during the day, 30s, low 30s, mid 30s during the day, and then even colder at night. So I'll probably layer a coat on top of this, or a down jacket, or a vest, and I think that'll be good for me, because it's fairly thin. But if you're gonna take this to the gym or wear this for your workouts, I think this is really good. Not too heavy, thin, works. That's it for Fioboc. Check out their Black Friday sale. I believe it's happening now, because on the website it says Black Friday sale, 30 to 50% off site-wide. It's there. The prices are slashed. The original prices are slashed, and in red or burgundy you could see a much lower price, which is most likely their Black Friday sale. And actually, so on their website, there's a whole section at the top that says Black Friday sale with the fire icon. So if you click that, it'll take you to all their clothes that are on sale. So everything we just covered, it's on sale. Plus use the code TP20 to get 20% off on top of that. So now's your chance. Now's your chance. You know how it fits. Again, I'm a size small. Everything I got was a size small, 5'9", about 150. This is how it fits. So hopefully that helps you gauge what size you need. And I mean, build that cart, get shopping. If you like this video and you're interested in more Fioboc products, check out the review/unboxing I did. The link is in the description as well as the corner of this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.